So I'm having a look at the website here. There's been improvements, and that's really good. So look at the rental option for this device. I'm actually opening it under construction, so it's no rental option. I do understand that. So that is a link that is not working. So in this case, what you want to do is make a page for the rental option. Okay, so this is something that cannot be done in 2 minutes, but it can take a while for you to do. So you can make a rental option page for this device, the fractional CO2 laser, with the information that you can find online. And once it's ready, let me know, and I'll have a look at it and I'll correct it. So that's one. So this is the next task for you, is to say, get this page. Don't get this page. Make another page as a rental option. You've got examples of rental option pages, so you can use those as templates. And yeah, you've got to create the new content and everything else. Then I'll go there and make the link to the PayPal rental option. Right now, I'm assuming that is correct, and I'm going to look at it later on. This here, it's got to have links to the rental option. There's no links in there, so it's actually, it's nice images, but there's got to be links to the rental option, and it's got to say that. I mean, if you click in there, you're going to go to the rental option for these devices. Okay, that's quite important. Multi-line rents, I think I've checked it, it works quite well. Yeah, you've corrected that. Up to 11 lines, 11, 1, okay? Up to 11 lines, okay? Then the trial center, I think you've done it before. Read more, read more, read more. New products, that's better. So on. Then what I find is the videos are still not big enough. As to say, the video size are not big enough. Let's have a look. See that? That's from there to there. It's got to be a bit bigger. It's got to fit the page. That's the thing. So for the Areton.com limited website, you have to get accustomed to actually create the content now. So you are in charge of developing this website, and also in terms of content and everything. So you've got the next exercise to create a rental option for the CO2 laser. Now, going to the BeatTech.com website, it requires the same sort of theme with our logo in there. So so if you can just change the theme, make it look quite good, that's the next step. Okay, that's the BeatTech.com website. Remember to keep sort of these things there in place, so the link to YouTube and all that. So that's the next. Once you've finished it's not finished because it's an ongoing work on Areton.com website. The BeatTech.com website is going to be a static website, which we're going to leave there for many years. We're not going to develop it anymore, but it's got to have the same structure as the Areton.com website. So it doesn't need to be an e-commerce site, but it does need to have the same outlook as this website. You've seen that picture there is quite squashed. I don't know whether you can sort of fix these sort of things. So all these minor details are for you to try and fix. So you're completely in charge of all the websites, also in terms of content and functionality. So that's the thing. So I'll leave it with you.